If you saw my video about how to make a skirt and you're wondering what the hell I'm talking about, I'm going to give you a little bit more framework. First step, you're going to grab your tape measure and you're going to measure your waist or wherever you want the skirt to be hitting. The reason I didn't give any measurements is because it's totally dependent on the size of your body and how you want the design of the skirt.
Now we're going to determine how long we want it. I do this super officially, like I just kind of go like this and then I go like that.
This is the point in the project when you're going to want to get a piece of paper and start drawing out those rectangles so you can visualize it. The key thing that we're trying to figure out here is we're going to take that waistband length and we're going to multiply it by 1.5 so that we know how much volume we need with our gathering. And if you want a bit more volume, you can multiply it by 2. Now remember how we have that curved part in the skirt? Well, you're going to take that top tier and then you're just going to do a little freehand and just cut a little arch out of it, depending on how deep you want it. At this point, you should have all of your rectangles cut out, and you're now going to do a French seam to make them into tubes. And if you're like, Rosie, but I don't know how to do a French seam, well, you're going to have to stay tuned later this week, and I will share a tutorial. Next, it's time for the gathering, and most important part of gathering is to notch your fabric. I normally put about 4 notches in to make sure that those gathers are evenly distributed. Now attach both your tiers and then we're going to go up to the waistband. We're going to make a casing for that elastic. Last but not least, we got to hem the bottom, and I normally leave this to the end because I never know exactly how long I want it to